Hello everybody, welcome to the series of Harnessing Oneness, Harnessing Emotion. Today we are going to talk about harnessing pain. Listening to pain, it feels a little uncomfortable, I know. But let me tell you that it is time that we become comfortable having pain around us. Now today, what we can do to harness pain? Just be aware about what are the thoughts and what are the feelings that you can have around pain. So when you are in the painful situation, what is it that you're feeling? Are you feeling helpless? Are you feeling hopeless? Are you feeling anger or sad? Or what is it that you associate your pain with? So just be aware and just feel it within you, that where are you feeling it, where are you storing it, what is it that is surfacing every time you experience pain. As the pain is the most important and integral part of our existence. When we take birth into this life, we feel pain, and when we exit this planet Earth, we feel pain. So we feel pain at every stages of our life, from the start of our breath to the end of our breath. So let us harness and understand what this pain is, what is the triggers, what are the buttons that are getting pushed when you are having that pain. Just be aware and just write down how you are associating yourself with pain. Are you in a position where you are attracting more and more pain in your life? If so, write it down and just understand that how and what is the trigger point, what is the root cause of it. So slowly and swiftly we move towards harnessing pain. It's okay to feel pain. Just see that what attention your body is asking in which part of your body, as it is giving you some pain. Just give lots of love to that pain, lots of love to your heart center. And just knowing that it's okay to feel pain, and I know I can learn the lesson and move away from pain by harnessing it. So every time you will feel the pain, rather than escaping it or running away from it, you will be in a space where you will get comfortable and you'll be okay, experience the lesson and the beauty of that situation. So do let me know, how do you attach yourself with pain, and what are your thoughts around pain. So let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next with another video which is harnessing another beautiful emotion. So let us all walk this journey together and have a beautiful life and experiences on this planet Earth. Thank you so much for watching.